Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. Today we'll watch some idiots' driving skills. And I hope that after watching this video, you'll learn an important lesson. A supercar skids and crashes directly due to accelerating quickly in the rain. The car was moving on its path when, from the right side, another car broke the lane and crashed into it. A car comes speeding and a mini truck in front is making a left turn. But the car almost crashes into the mini truck due to its high speed. The car was moving on its path when an SUV tried to cross from the left side, and at that moment, they collided. A person was driving his car with a camera mounted on it when suddenly he lost control and the car spun backward. This was recorded on his dash cam. In an attempt to show off, he ended up doing something so foolish. A person makes a mistake by driving a car at high speed on a hilly road, and the car crashes straight into the roadside. There was only one road, so I couldn't turn and ended up colliding head-on with an SUV. The car was going at a bit of speed when suddenly a mini truck took a left turn, and then it collided straight with the truck.
Поэтому
An SUV tries to rush through by breaking the traffic rules, and in doing so, hits a woman's car. When the woman gets out and checks, she sees that parts of her car are damaged.
он, конечно, дурак. Что ты делаешь?
An SUV was going when suddenly it was time for a train to come, so the SUV also stopped. Then a car came from behind and crashed straight into the SUV. A woman is breaking the window glass of a Mercedes with a golf stick in traffic. And after that, she throws the golf stick, sits in her car, and drives away. If any of you know why she's doing this, let us know in the comments. A car was driving in its lane, then decided to go to the other side and collided with another car. A car parked on the roadside suddenly started and moved forward, and then it crashed. This is what happens when you turn the car without looking.